Hello again, my name's Joe Johnson, and over the last few years I've helped over 30. Hello again, my name's Joe Johnson, and this is a follow-on video to my other video called Dental Implant Problems Secrets. No. Hello again, my name's Joe Johnson, and this is the follow-on video to my previous video called Secret Dental Implant Problems. That video, which I uploaded a couple of years ago, has been watched over 500,000 times. And since then I've been able to help over 30,000 people with dental implant problems. So I'm really pleased that I uploaded that video. And this is really an update to that video, and to talk briefly about the problems that you can have with dental implants, and certainly the problems that I had. For those of you who have not seen that video, this is what I looked like after I first had my dental implants. So as you can see, my face was swollen. I was in absolute agony, literally agony. I'm a big bloke, I can take pain, but that was unbearable. And what had happened was I found out that it was quite common that people who had dental implants could get a dental implant infection. That is, the bacteria gets into, when you have a dental implant, what will happen if you hadn't had a dental implant yet, what happens is this: you go along, first thing to do is ask you to sign a load of forms basically saying they are not responsible because they know things can go wrong. And then they'll give you a large dose of antibiotics, maybe 3, 4, even 5 grams of antibiotics in a drink. You knock it back because they know they're going to cut into your jaw, into your jaw, cut it open, cut the gums open, carry out a procedure, and then stitch it back up again. Now that wouldn't be so bad, except that it's in your mouth, which is warm, it's damp and wet, there's lots of food. It's the perfect breeding ground for bacteria. Perfect. So the bacteria will start to breed inside the wound in your mouth. So that's why they give you, after you've had the surgery and you go home and you feel like crap, they'll get, you take lots of painkillers, and you will need them. The non-steroidal anti-inflammatories do help to reduce the pain. They'll also give you a lot of antibiotics, these metronidazole or amoxicillin. They could give you both. They gave me both when I had my first implants, and they didn't work. They also gave me this stuff, antiseptic mouthwash, very good stuff. It just didn't work in my case. So, and it turns out there's a lot of people do get problems with dental implants, and a lot of it can be prevented. So follow your dentist instructions. But if you haven't had your dental implants done yet, I would recommend that you have a good search round and find a dentist with a lot of experience. Somebody who's done lots before and can prove to you that they've done lots before successfully. I know it's important to save money nowadays, and you're shopping around, and if one is $100 cheaper than the other or £100 cheaper than the other, it might be appealing, but check out the experience of the dentist. Ask around, do you know people who had their implants done? Find out from them. Now, I went along to a fantastic dentist, amazing experienced dentist of many years, and I still got an infection in my gums, and I'm not blaming him at all. But what I did do, as I explained in my previous video, I had to rely on myself because the antibiotics didn't work, they weren't working, and the dentist was almost suggesting taking mega doses of all kinds of antibiotics to reduce the infection. So what I did was this: I've been researching natural remedies for over 25 years, and I'd helped thousands of people with gum infection problems before, with gingivitis, receding gums, bleeding gums. And it's quite easy. There's a collection and blend of very powerful natural antibiotics, and they're a liquid. And all you do I've helped many people with this stuff before. It's called Gum Doctor. And this blend, you simply normally just put it on your gums and it stops gum infection. So what I did with my own case, I put it on my finger, put it onto the stitches, and I just kept putting it on every couple of hours, and within a day, literally, I knew I was better. Certainly within a couple of days, the gum infection had gone, because the Gum Doctor had killed off all the bacteria in the wound. That was it. So what I suggest to you, if you haven't had your dental implants yet, is to get the Gum Doctor beforehand. Get the Gum Doctor beforehand. Yes, it's an additional expense, but it's nothing compared to the cost of your implants, and it's nothing compared to the misery. I can't tell you how much misery I was in. Over the last, since I had them dental implants, I have gone on and had a whole, look at them teeth, an old man with a young man's teeth. They are fantastic. Don't let the talk of infection put you off. Since then I've had another 8 or 9 dental implants, and they are fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Really. They feel good. Like solid, really good. And they look good. They feel good. They make you feel good. So get your dental implants. But what I do now is I go along, I still do the same procedure, take the antibiotics because the dentist says so, and I don't want to get an infection. But what I do, as soon as I get home, take the painkillers because it does hurt for a day or two, put the Gum Doctor, just a couple of drops onto the wound, and it will speed up the healing process of your gums. Speeds up the healing process of your gums and stops you getting infected. And that's it. And it is a real risk. Why do you think they give you so much antibiotics? It's a very real risk. So, but I've never had a gum infection since I've used Gum Doctor. And I've got a mouthful of fantastic teeth, yeah? So you can compare this video to the previous one. Look, all of them implants. And I've never had a problem since with the Gum Doctor. And that's it. So if you're thinking of, you're worried about problems with dental implants, that's the only one that I'm aware of. Infection. So do what you can, prevent yourself from getting infection by using the Gum Doctor remedy. You can go to teethneedgums.com. teethneedgums.com. But the thing is, dental implants need gums. You do. Dental implants need gums. So you've got to look after your gums. Massage a couple of drops in every few hours after your operation. Your gums will heal quickly, and soon you'll have fantastic teeth like me. Alright, if you need anything from me or any advice or anything, go to Teeth Need Gums, drop me a line or give us a call. If you want the remedy, we'll send it out in a jiffy bag like this, urgent. We send it out today. Make sure you've got the stuff ready and just massage it in, and it'll stop an infection. And if for any reason you're not 100% completely satisfied with anything, ask for a refund. We give 100% money back guarantee to all our clients. We want you to be happy. We don't want you to have gum infections, and get some fantastic teeth like me. Alright, bye for now.